Hello everyone. In today's tutorial I will show you how you can use the lock-on effect in the CapCut application. First we will check if CapCut is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone and find CapCut. If there is an update button, click it and wait for all the latest additions to be applied. After that, open CapCut. The first step after opening is to click on New Project. In the new window, we will select the video we want to edit. We click on the video and confirm the Add button in the lower right corner. When the project is opened, click on the line for editing. In the large number of options that are offered to us, we need to find Lock On. We click on it. In this J option we will be offered 3 options. We can apply the effect to the face, body or hand. We prefer the body option. We select it and wait for the effect to be applied. This is a very useful option and gives a more professional look to our video without much effort. That's all for this video. Subscribe to our channel for more useful videos. See you in the next video.